In this video, I'm going to show you how to filter your crop planner by the harvest window. So go to the crop plan and click on harvest window. Now, this is important because this is what florists will see as their recipe planning. This is what you will see to identify gaps of when you're not going to have anything blooming. And again, it might take you a couple seasons to really get this information in there, but this is everything that should be blooming between May 20th and what did I say? May 27th, something like that. Sorry, I went too fast on the video, but this is everything that should be blooming on my farm during that window. And you can always do that custom date, that custom range. And now you can make the window a little bit wider, a little bit narrower. But if you just put one date and don't put an end date, that is going to be anything into perpetuity. So you do want to just put that same end date as that original date, as June 14th. So if you only want to know what's going to be blooming on June 14th, then make sure you put June 14th to June 14th. Otherwise, it's going to be anything that blooms into the future. That is something that was intentionally done because we want to be able to analyze an entire season if we can. Now, this is what florists are going to be able to see on their end. I'm going to show you what it looks like. I have a dual account, so this is what I am as a florist. So I'm going to view actually my farm. Let's pretend like they're not both Sunny Mary Meadow. But this is why it's so important to have those harvest windows correctly. And if florists are trying to plan a wedding or an event, they can go into that date and they know that, okay, the wedding is the 19th, so they want the flowers on the 15th. So this is everything that you have blooming for June 15th of next year. And it's in other videos, but we'll show you that they can add a wish list and really share their recipes with you based on your crop plan.